13 tips to help you look stunning without makeup. Every woman possesses a natural allure and charm that help her look inimitable no matter what. True beauty doesn't need tons of makeup to be appreciated. To create a perfect image, all you need to do is to add a few useful tricks to your arsenal of everyday magic. Today, How offers you some invaluable advice on how to make yourself more attractive without wasting time and money. Subscribe to this channel to get this type of knowledge on regular basis. Number 13. Improve facial color. To make your facial skin look more healthy, use chamomile tea. Take 1 tablespoon of pharmacy chamomile, add 1 glass of hot water, and leave it to brew in a thermos for 30 minutes. Then, strain the drink through a sieve and let it cool down slightly. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of honey. Drink in small sips every day before breakfast for 2 weeks. Number 12. Make eyelashes look longer and thicker. One of the best ways to nourish your eyelashes involves using a homemade oil mixture. Take equal quantities of castor, almond, sesame, and burdock oils, and add vitamin E, helps increase the storage life. Mix the ingredients in a jar. When the mix is ready, apply it to dry eyelashes and leave overnight. Continue the treatment for 2 weeks for a noticeable, revitalizing effect. Number 11. Get rid of brittle hair and split ends. When your hair needs immediate help, an easy-to-make homemade mask is the answer. Whisk an egg yolk and half a glass of natural, non-additives yogurt in a single dish. Add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Then, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of avocado or jojoba oil. Stir the ingredients together thoroughly. When the mix is ready, apply it to wet hair, then put on a polyethylene cap. Leave the mask on for an hour. After that, wash your hair thoroughly. Number 10. Nourish your hands. To make the skin of your hands soft and velvety, take a small quantity of hand cream and mix it with a corresponding amount of vinegar. Apply the resulting ointment every evening before bedtime for 2 weeks. Number 9. Make your hair look smooth and shiny. Take 1 peeled banana, put it in a blender, and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Whisk the ingredients, then add 2 teaspoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of non-additives yogurt. Stir it all together until you have a pulp-like paste. Apply the paste to wet hair, then put on a polyethylene cap. After 30 minutes, wash the mask off thoroughly. Amazing results guaranteed. Number 8. Remove peeling skin. An aloe juice lotion is ideal for taking care of all types of facial skin irritations. To prepare the lotion, take 100 grams (3.5 ounces) of aloe juice. Add 3 tablespoons of boiled water and 3 tablespoons of alcohol. Stir it all thoroughly. Rub the resulting ointment on the skin of your face and neck every day. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash it off. Conclude each treatment by applying ordinary skin cream to the irritated areas. Number 7. Strengthen and whiten nails. To make your nails look healthy and beautiful, all you need to do is to bathe your fingers in lemon juice. Cut a lemon in 2 and use each half as an improvised basin to dip your fingers in. For best results, let your nails soak in the juice for 15 minutes. Number 6. Get rid of blackheads. This DIY blackhead remover peel-off mask will help you get rid of blackheads very fast. Mix some activated charcoal with non-toxic, school-style glue in a bowl to make the mask. Apply the mixture to your nose, cheeks and other areas where you have blocked pores. Leave the mask on until it has dried. After the mask has been peeled off, tone your face to close all of your pores. Number 5. Deal with chapped lips. Mix equal amounts of sour cream and carrot juice. Apply the mix to your lips and leave it on for 7 minutes. Wash your lips afterward. Number 4. Whiten your teeth. Crush a few activated charcoal tablets. Brush your teeth with the resulting powder. A word of advice, you should buy a separate toothbrush for this. Number 3. Get rid of dark circles under your eyes. Soak 2 flat, round cotton swabs in a glass of cold milk, and then place them just beneath your eyes. This really works. Number 2. Create a perfect hairdo. Static electricity can be a nuisance when styling your hair. To get rid of it, wash your hands in mineral water, then wipe them on your hair. Number 1. Get glowing and healthy skin. The combination of sugar and tomato makes an amazing facial scrub. It will remove dead skin cells and give your skin a healthy glow. Cut a tomato into slices, and sprinkle some sugar on it. Gently rub your skin with it in small circular motions. Leave it on for 10 minutes, and wash off with water. Repeat the procedure 3 to 4 times a week.